I'm going to bug this little dog, and he makes really funny noises. So, yeah, just watch, and you'll see what I mean. This is a little dog. Isn't he funny looking? Look at him. He's funny looking. Looks like a little naked mole rat, doesn't he? It's even funnier when somebody's holding him. Okay, thanks, bye.